suggestions and tips to start competitively affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to boost the potential revenues of any online business. Website owners have to know, though, that affiliate programs are not money fountains. Affiliate marketing only produces profits in proportion to the effort webmasters put into it. This video includes some ideas for maximizing the effects of those efforts. When building affiliate links on your blog, don't forget that you need traffic on your site first. If no one is watching your blog, there's no one to click on your affiliate links, no matter how glowing your recommendation or well placed your advertisements. Build a readership for your blog and then join an affiliate program to take advantage of that traffic. Catering directly to a product's market is the best way an affiliate can make a sale. Since affiliates work off of sales commissions, there is an inclination to try to market the product to as large an audience as possible, but this is a failing formula. Stick with the niche market and promote the product strongly. A lot of affiliate marketing is touch and go, so you have to remember, never to be set on any one formula or any one method. You will want to experiment with different banners, different content, different text, and other methods to see which ones works best for you and your overall sales numbers. Before deciding on an affiliate company to go with, check out the company's references and see what people are really saying about the services they offer. You need to be sure that you're dealing with a legitimate service before you put the time and effort into driving traffic to someone else's site. Putting together a good affiliate marketing strategy takes time, hard work, and lots of research. Put into practice the tips in this video. There are webmasters out there, lots of them, realizing healthy profits from their affiliate programs. The things these webmasters have in common are dedication and a thorough self-education in making affiliate marketing work for them. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.